next challenge is entitled Purge and Organize. You are given an array of numbers, and you are to write a function that returns an array that number 1 has all duplicate elements removed, number 2 is sorted from least value to greatest value, so that you could think of that in ascending order. Let's look to the examples. We have 1, 2, 4, 3, and that goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, all we had to do was ordering. There was no issue with duplicate entries. For example 2, we do have many duplicates here. So you can see there are a bunch of 4s, there are a couple 2s, a couple 1s, and we get the same output as the first example because all of the duplicates get removed and then you order. And for the last example, you can see the same thing. You have just ordering again. In this case, there are no duplicates, but you start low and proceed in ascending order. So I think that's clear. We'll go to code. This is your chance to solve the problem, so pause it here and work it out, then come back. So I'm going to leverage link to the rescue. And I think there might be one new method we're using, but the other two we've definitely used in the past. So let's break this problem down. We have one issue where we want to get rid of all the duplicates, right? We only want one copy of each unique value in the input array. So do you remember what we've done in the past to do that using link? We can say on the array, we can say distinct, right? Do you remember that one? This right here will filter out all of the copied values, the duplicate values. So that's good, that's half the problem right there. And then for the second part of the problem, we need, you can imagine it at this point being in IEnumerable of type double with unique values, but it's unsorted at this point. So in case we haven't used this one yet, enumerable has this order by method and sorts the elements of a sequence in ascending order. That's cool. You can see over here there's a descending version too, in case you ever need that. But you could go check this out. Check an example here. See pets order by, and they're dealing not with a simple built-in type. They've got this custom pet type that they made, and so they can sort by any parameter that they want. They chose the age property to sort by, sort them in age order. We're dealing with a simple built-in native type, so we won't have to do that, and we'll simplify that to be order by. I'm going to use D to represent a double variable. Remember, we're going to pass a lambda in. This is our variable name. Each element that we're processing is a double. I'll call mine D. And we'll just keep it as D. You know what I mean? We don't have a complex object here where there are other properties that we maybe want to sort by. There's just the double value itself, so that's pretty simple. We'll go double to double. We're not going to modify, or I should say there's no other criteria to look at. We're just going to use the double's value itself. And then, of course, this will also produce an enumerable in order, and that doesn't quite match the double array that this method wants returned. Do you remember how we convert the enumerable to an array? To array. Okay, I think this might do it. Distinct, get rid of all the duplicates. Order by, which will go in ascending order. There was a descending version if you want to go the other way. And then to array to get the output in the right form. Let's try that. Okay, let's check the error. Type, system collection, generic, IEnumerable double does not contain a definition for... Okay, yep. I see what I did wrong there. If you'd like to pause the video, feel free to do that and find it. Otherwise, I'll show you. Let's go to the top here. Look at this. Case matters. See the capital B there? Which it should be. It's two different words, order by. Look what I did. Order by. One word. I didn't capitalize the B. Those can be tough to spot sometimes. But you could have counted this out. You knew line 7. You could have counted over 27 characters, and hopefully that would have given you a good idea. But yeah, case absolutely matters. Great, there we have it. So yeah, this is a nice showcase of what LINQ can do, right? This is a pretty short little snippet when you consider everything it does. It filters duplicate elements, it sorts them in ascending order, and makes it into an array, all in a very small, readable statement. So that's pretty solid. I think we'll call it there. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next challenge.